Oh my god, I actually got an elite. It was pretty good, but this is not smart. Don't do this. Oh my god, I don't want to sell it. I can't list it, so I gotta quick tell you where I can say it. Oh, you don't want to quick sell it. Oh my god, it's gonna hurt me. Oh god. I can't do it. I can't do it. No, I'm not doing it. I can't. It's a current second quick sell it. Oh god. Oh my god, I wanted this. Oh god, no. I guess. Even though I can't list it, it's actually still making me wanna. Like, this guy's like, worth like. If I lose this match, I'm on 45 rushing yards. If I lose it, I have to quick sell an elite. We should do like 3. Well, it's not really. They didn't really. They gained 10 yards out of all these. Oh god, no. 15. I was actually gonna say, but I think they still got 15. Oh my god, I get to keep it. You know what I'm saying? What is it? Wrapping up in bundles. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm not quick. We're gonna open up some pro eggs, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Stop looking at Dingo. Don't wanna go. Yeah, you don't wanna go there. Okay, I'll open up some rubbish. Oh my god. I freaking got it. Oh my god. Boy! Oh my god. I want to just get my glasses, see if I can see this freaking garbage, right? Yeah, I can see that pretty freaking clear. Oh wait, let me see if I can see this suck. It goes right there. Yay. I hope you die. No, it don't work. Yeah, you're the best company ever. I hope you don't die. I hope you're lucky in your runs. Gee, they want you to say they're awesome. That's why I hate EA. But as the Dolphin fan in EA, I know that. So you have to give me a Dolphin Sue. Oh my god, he gave me a Dolphin. What the freak? Give me a Dolphin. That's good. Okay. Give me an elite. Please. I'm like trying to compromise if I want to scream or just go with it because I know EA is not good and they do this to a lot of people. They screw them over. They don't like anybody. They're just douchebags. I hate EA so much. I don't even know why I play those games anymore. I'm happy that they're losing money too. That's what they freaking get. Don't spend money with this game. I spent $20. Dang. Dude, this is bad. I'm not gonna look for the rest. How do I? I was at 500K for this account. I'm just gonna guess that and put one lead. Not looking. I saw it says in a week there. Let's see what it then put on my team. I'm like, this last year I'm playing. My team. Oh my god. Oh my god. A John Jerry sack card. That's not bad. We didn't pull any elites. We pull. Dude, I actually don't know if did we not pull any elites. So I said no. I'm probably correct. And that's it for that video.
take cheese. You just take everybody else on the team. Oh, we put William Hayes. I didn't ask for an elite Dolphin, and we got one. Nice. I'm happy about that. I'll take it. Ooh, cheese pizza. Yeah. That sounds pretty good. I'm not a big fan of pizza. Savage. Awesome. No, it's not bad. Okay. Forgot I hit the 6-5-year-old team. I'm not bullcrap, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I get EA.